So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are following along our complete JMeter framework series, you might have noticed that when you open a fresh installation of JMeter, you do not see the advanced components like the concurrency thread group or the ultimate thread group. So those might be missing. So like for example, when you right click on the new test plan and you see the standard thread groups and you don't see the advanced one, because these advanced ones don't come with the standard installation of JMeter. In this video I am going to show you the easy way to install the JMeter plugins manager automatically. So once you have the JMeter plugins manager, you can install it and then you can search for your plugin and install it automatically. So I will also show another option to how to completely install it manually, the offline installation of this plugins manager if your corporate network or workplace firewall blocks the manager. So let's jump right into it. So let's start our standard automated method first. We need to download the plugins manager itself. So open your browser and go to JMeter plugins jmeter-plugins.org and click the install link. So you can see the link to the download the plugins manager. Click on it and download this jar file, and then once you downloaded it, put this jar file in the lib/ext, which is the JMeter installation folder. So here I have the JMeter installation folder. So go there and then click on the lib folder. So this is the lib. So this is a JMeter 5.6.3. So you have to go here, and then this is a MacBook. So it might look a little different, but it's the same lib folder, and under the lib folder you can see the ext folder. So this is a lib/ext path. So you will see the same in your Windows machine also. So whatever you copied here, that jar file, you need to paste it here. So this ext is the extensions where all the JMeter extensions are here. So you can see the IDP, mail, all the protocol, HTTP functions, SafeTP, and here you need to paste this JMeter plugins manager. So I will show you how. So here you have. So this is the plugins manager. We just downloaded it from here. So paste it here and then do a restart of the JMeter. So go to your command prompt and then restart it. So we closed the JMeter and opening it now. So here we have restarted the JMeter. So now when you click the options, you see the plugins manager and you see the icon here, and you will see a similar button here also at the corner of the JMeter window. You can go anyway, and when you open the plugins manager, it will open a pop-up window like this, and it will show you the list of installed plugins and the available plugins, and you can search for your favorite plugin and then click install button and it will install automatically. So that's how you do installation directly. But as you can see here, it takes time to load, or if you are at a workplace or corporate area, your firewall might block it, or something might happen. So in that case you cannot use the plugins manager. So without the plugins manager you cannot install any plugin. So how do we install the plugins? There is another way, that is using manual installation. So I'm going to show you how to install all these plugins without using the JMeter plugin manager. So there is another way. So go to the same website like I mentioned before, the jmeter-plugins.org, and there you can see the browse plugins. So here you can search for the concurrency plugin, which is a concurrency thread plugin, and that doesn't come with a standard installation. So you need to go here and download it. So you can see here the concurrency thread group and a lot of other groups come under this one name, one package. So all you need to do is, these are all zip files, so you need to download them and then unzip them. And when you unzip them, inside the zip zip folder you will see a jar file, and you need to copy and paste the jar file here. So you can see here that this is the JMeter plugin CASUTG. That is a custom thread group. So that's the name of this thread group. So just like we restarted, we need to restart the JMeter after we install every plugin. So I'm going to restart the JMeter, and you will see these thread groups now appear in the JMeter. Previously we didn't see them, but now let's see, it will appear. So when you say add thread, so there you go. So now you can see all the advanced thread groups, such as the concurrency thread group and the popular ultimate thread group and the setup teardown and all these other thread groups. They came all along with the same. They all come with the new thread groups that are added as part of this one plugin. So this can be called as an add-on. So once you have installed it, now you can use it. So you can search for any plugin that you want. Suppose anything interesting that you can see here, everything has a link to a zip file. So you can click on it and then unzip that zip file, and once you unzip, you will see a jar file, and you need to move that jar file into this ext folder, and then finally restart your JMeter, and you will then see the plugin. So this is how to install any plugin without using the plugins manager. So whether you are using the automated plugins manager or the manual offline copy paste method, which I just showed you, you can now check that everything works. So we saw that it works fine. So now your system is completely unlocked and you are ready for the real performance test. So in the next video, we are going to jump straight into the advanced thread groups and see how to configure them and how they work. So we will see more of this in the next video. So I will show you what to do with those advanced thread groups, how to configure them. So if you like this video, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share this video with others so they can also learn how to install plugin automatically using plugins manager or manually through the copy paste method. So thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comments if you used the automatic way or the manual method to set this up. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.